A good day. Welcome to another lesson on mathematics. Today we want to talk about number bases. In our syllabus covers base 2, base 5 and base 10. Before we want to do converting from base 10 to other bases, but we want to understand the meaning of a base. We want to understand the meaning of what? Of a base. Our ordinary numbers, the number line that we know every day, like 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and so on. All those numbers, they are in base 10. Our ordinary numbers are in what? Are in base 10. So if a number is in base 10, sometimes we don't write it. But when a number is in base 2, for example, you get 0, 1, 1, 1 with a 2 here. It means those numbers are in base 2. And there is one thing that you need to know. If a number is in base 2, the numbers that it will get is 0 and 1. The numbers that you will say 2 minus 1 is equals to 1. So it will get numbers that are 1 and 0. You will never see a 2 in a number that is in base 2. And a number that is in base 5, for example, this number is in base 5. Again, the numbers that you see in base 5, they are 4 and below. You will never see a number that is 5. So you will say 5 minus 1, which is equal to 4. So you will see numbers from 4 to 0 that are 4 and less. So if a number, the same thing, our natural numbers are in base 10. For example, 96, which is in base 10. The numbers that are in base 10, you will see numbers that are 9 and below. Like you can see here, the numbers, they are 9 and below. So what we want to do here is we want to convert a number from base 10 to base 2 or to base 5. We want to convert a number from base 10 to base 2 or to base 5. Convert the following to base, from base 10 to other bases. Convert the following. Given a number, e.g. 75, which is to base 10, we want to convert it to a number 2 in base 5. You are given 75, which is in base 10, and you are required to convert it to a number that is in base what? In base 5. What you do is, you write like a ladder, then you divide 75, you always divide by 5, because you want to change it to base 5. Then you say 5 goes into 75, how many times? 1, remainder 2, 5, and you write the remainders there. You write the remainders aside. Even if the remainder is 0, you put that 0. There is no remainder, which is 0. And most people make this mistake. If the remainder is 0, they don't want to write that 0. In this case, even if it goes 15 times, giving a remainder of 0, there is no remainder, but we write that 0. Again, 5 goes into 15 how many times? It goes 3 times. Remainder, the remainder is 0. There is no 0. Again, you divide by 5. 5 goes into 3 how many times? 0. Leaving a remainder of what? Leaving a remainder of 3. Now to write 75. 75 to base 10 is equals to 10 here. 75 to base 10 is equals to, when writing these numbers, you start from the bottom going up, is equals to 300. We don't start from the top, we start from the bottom. 300 to base 5. 300 to base 5. I'm going to do another example. Example number 2. Again, we want to write 75, which is in base 10, to base 2 this time. We are going to do the same thing. 75 2 into 75, because this time we are changing to base 2. It means you divide by 2. 2 into 75 is 37, remainder 1. And 2 into 37 is, no, remainder 1 here. 37 is remainder 1. It goes into 16 8 times remainder 1. And 2 into 18, it's 9. And again, if the remainder, there's no remainder, you go and put 0. Don't forget that 0. And 2 into 9, it goes how many times? 4 times, leaving a remainder of 1. And 2 into 4, it goes 2 times, a remainder of 0. And 2 into 2, 1, a remainder of 0. And 2 into 1, it's 0, a remainder of 1. Therefore, it means 75 base 10 is equals to, you start from bottom going up, 1 0 0 1 0 1 1 to base 2, to base 2. As I was saying, numbers that are in base 2, you get numbers 0 and 1 only. You will never get a 2 or more in the numbers, in these numbers. And again here, for base 5, the numbers that you get are numbers that are 4 or less. You will never get a number that is 5 or above. That's how you convert from base 10 to other bases. Now, your class, your work for today, you pause the video, you do the exercise, converting from base 10 to other bases. Then after that, there are your answers. The other one, and thank you for watching and enjoy your day.